In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions for your Canva designs. Understanding permissions is really important because it controls who can see your work, who can edit it, and who can only view it. Managing this correctly helps you avoid accidental changes, keeps your designs organized, and makes collaboration much smoother. First, open the Canva design you want to manage. Make sure you're on the design page itself, not just the home dashboard. Once your design is open and fully loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a plus sign icon. This is usually where you can add people, share your design, or adjust access settings. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you do, a small sharing panel will appear. This panel is where Canva shows you who currently has access to the design and what kind of access they have. It might include individual people, a team, or even a link setting depending on how you've shared the design before. Next, look carefully beside the name or role of the person or group you want to manage. You should see a small arrow or drop-down indicator next to their current permission level. This might say something like can edit, can view, or can comment, depending on what they're allowed to do right now. Click on that small arrow. When you click it, a list of different permission options will appear. This is where you actually control what each person can do with your design. For example, if someone only needs to look at your work but not change anything, you can switch them to view only. If you're collaborating closely with a teammate who needs to make changes, you can set them to edit access. Some setups may also allow comment only access, which is great if you want feedback without risking unwanted edits. Once you've selected the right permission level, Canva will automatically update the access for that person or group. Take a moment to review everyone on the list and make sure each permission matches how you want to collaborate. This quick check helps prevent mistakes, like giving edit access to someone who should only be viewing. That's all there is to it. Click the plus sign, open the sharing panel, use the small arrow beside the name, and change the permission to what you need. With these simple steps, you'll have much better control over your Canva designs and how you share them with others.